They're so good. It's so rich. Mmm. Amazing. Manna approved. Manna here, and today I'm going to show you how I make Nutty Bars. We need just 3 simple ingredients: peanut butter or nut butter, almond bark, candy coating, chocolate or vanilla flavored, and some wafer cookies. I have vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. First, what we're going to do is I'm only going to pick 1 wafer cookie for now, so I'm going to go ahead and just do a traditional vanilla. I'll put my others up for later. I'm going to take out a baking tray that I have that's lined with parchment wax paper. We're going to open our wafer cookies and our peanut butter. I like to use an all-natural. Once I get my peanut butter stirred all the way up here, what I'm going to do is take a wafer cookie and we are going to spread a layer of peanut butter. A nice layer. And it's okay if it gets a little messy. It'll be super delicious in the long run. And then we're going to take another wafer cookie, put it on top here, and we're going to fill up our cookie sheet. Yummy. So now we have 14 Nutty Bars. We're going to put these in the freezer, and the reason that we put them in the freezer is to help everything set up. So I leave them in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. It could be longer. And then after that, we're going to melt down our chocolate, go ahead and dip them in the chocolate, put them on the tray, and we're done. There they are before the freezer. Let's go have some fun. We're going to melt our candy coating, and it comes in a nice microwavable tray. Headed to the microwave. We're going to start out with 1 minute. Keep it stirred. After 1 minute, it's starting to melt. We'll put it back in there for another minute. This is what it looks like after the 2nd minute. Now remember, I have been stirring this every about 15 seconds. Put it in there for another 30 seconds, but it's been about 18 more seconds, and I am happy with that. So we're gonna go make the magic happen. Here is where the magic happens. Dip it in there. Now you will get your fingers dirty, but it's okay because it's super delicious. So what I do is I just dip them, and you can kind of help get the excess off. It'll drip off. Go ahead and just put them back on the sheet. These are way better than what you buy at the grocery store, and it don't have all the crap and junk preservatives inside of there. And these, the taste of these, they will just blow your socks off. So delicious. These ones are already drying already. I promise you, these will not last long. Here we are, 14 Nutty Bars. We're all done. Easy, simple, delicious. Let's try one, shall we? They're so good. It's so rich. Amazing. Manna approved.